the glow of a strawberry moon calls me to dance as a celestial tune. You're my eclipse in the dark of the night, pulling me closer, your gravity's right. Orbits collide, sparks ignite, supernova love, burning so bright. A touch like starlight, soft yet wild, lost in the ring of your sweeter smile. Oh, strawberry moon, paint the sky, silver and pink where the comets fly. We're just two souls in this endless sea, drowning in love, you and me. Saturn's still spinning the galaxy's way, but all that I see is your Milky Way. Your lips taste like nebula wine, a sip of forever, you forever mine. Warp speed, heartbeat, quantum embrace. Time stands still in this infinite space. No black hole could tear us apart. You're the pulse of my pulse are hard. Galactic sound, oh, strawberry moon, paint the sky, silver and pink where the comets fly. We're just two souls in this endless sea, drowning in love, you and me, baby.
So let's drift where the solar winds play. Love like a comet won't fade away. Under the glow of a strawberry moon, our story's written in stars, not just tunes.